database priority, how it will be using, use your databases, yes or no, and along with how much important role it's going to play in your applications, and especially Oracle databases are mainly required for few people, okay, especially Java students and who are going to some database courses. ఇక్కడ లైట్ వేస్తే సార్ లైట్ లేదా okay, right. So in this first demonstration, okay, so these are all the things we will be check out here, and what is what we will check out, and later on so each kind of people they wanted to learn Oracle, okay, and especially so many students are having some doubts like sir, I'm a so-and-so background, so can I go to learn this Oracle or not? Is it useful or not? Yes or no? So that kind of doubts as for your academic related, yes or no? And so who want it? Okay, so nowadays who want it to learn Oracle? Which kind of platform people they want to learn? Okay, and after that, okay, so if I want to learn Oracle course, is it any prerequisites or need or not? So generally, so many people saying like this. When you want to learn like Java, .NET, Python, okay, the people will say you should learn C language. That means you all of you know this. When you come to the front-end languages, the base is coming from where it is C language. So C language, everybody they suggest you when you want to go for any platform. Okay, further you can learn it. So first you have to start in IT career. So from your C, and that was a boost for us for IT people. Okay, because there only we are learning logics, how to write logics, how the logics are working. Okay, internally what we can say execution levels, how it will be. The coding levels, who wanted the much knowledge on coding level, definitely they need a C. Then later we started like different platforms, the people will be selected. So the same to same, when I want to learn Oracle database, what kind of prerequisites are there? Is it necessary to learn any other languages? Okay, so that kind of the information we will see. And later on, so many students are asking one thing, sir, if I want to go to learn this course, what kind of benefits are there in outside? And of course, so many students are they're trying jobs on Java or Python or .NET, especially. Every fresher, they want to give a priority for these platforms nowadays in real time. Yes or no? But still, you know that if you learn the databases, and even though you can choose your career at a database level also, that means you just properly plan your career in database also. So the database opportunities, how it was there in real time. Okay, suppose if I am interested to go to database side, okay, what kind of courses I need to learn it, and that is very important. Okay, so the opportunities also you have to know that. And the next one is what now, guys, here, especially some gapping students are there, and that was very important for you. So maybe freshers, nothing problem. But 2019 pass out, 18 pass out, these kind of students are there. So when we have a gap, the 2 years or 3 years of gap is there. So how I can fulfill, and in that gap, which kind of technologies I want to choose to settle my career in IT sectors. So the gapping, how to fulfill. Okay, what I want to choose to easily move into IT. Okay, so this kind of some information I will give to you for any gapping students are there in this class. Okay, no? So these are all the things we will see in this demonstration. Okay, in the first demonstration, and I will take maximum the 2 demo classes. I will take it here, and later I started my classes. Okay, and in the first demonstration, these are all the things regarding to your Oracle we will check out. And the second one is I'm going to give it my schedule. Okay, because you have to know that. So what you are learning in this course. Okay, so the schedule also I'm going to show in here, and what kind of things we are learning in this course, how much duration. Okay, I don't know whatever the IT Naresh IT people what they said. I don't know the duration, how much time, whatever it is. I don't know, but my personally, okay, have a schedule. Okay, so that schedule I will show in front of you. Okay, now in the schedule, okay, you will get all the things, your duration, your course duration, what we are learning in this course, what kind of the facilities you will get from this course. Okay, no? So this all completely I will give to you, and after that I will start my class, because the most important thing is what now learning technologies, how much important for you, what you are learning in the technologies also very important to know that. Okay, so without knowing blindly, if you go, so many people have some little bit confusion. So this topic is covering or not, this topic is there or not, yes or no, it will be covered or not. So this kind of so many the doubts will be okay in your mind, yes or no. So that's why schedule also I will give it to you, and whatever the contents are there, the content also providing by Naresh IT. Okay, so that you have to take from the Naresh IT after my schedule. Okay, after seeing my schedule. Okay, so after that we started our classes. Okay, now right. Let me see guys here. Oracle, and before you want to start Oracle, so just now I said what is Oracle, and Oracle how it will be working in real time, what kind of the tools are there, which tools we are using. Okay, now the purpose, advantages. So this all we will be just check out in this first demonstration. This is not a class, this is just interaction class with you. Okay, now right guys, and here observe. So here actually your online people also there. Okay, offline and online. So definitely I want to sit here because I need to type. Okay, now so right, and let me check out guys here in this online. Online students, are you hearing me? Online students. Okay, right. So online people, when you are not unable to hear my voice, just reconnect guys, online students. Once reconnect and check out your audio settings. Is it okay or not? Okay, online people. Okay guys, let me see in this course. Okay, we are learning the course version. I will give it now. So this version we are learning Oracle 19C version we are learning in this class. Okay, now, and now the first question I will go to like here. Okay, so what is okay? Simply we want to say guys here. So what is Oracle? Okay, now right. So I think so many people they knows that it is a database. Okay, so many people they knows that it is a database. Okay, but okay, it is a database, but which type of database? Okay, in which model it was come to you? Okay, and what we called nowadays you are listening that words front end side and back end side. So front end applications as well as back end application. So what in that? Okay, what it means that what is front end and what is back end. So your Oracle, simply we can say guys here, you have to say like this here, it is a database tool also, you can say it's a one of the database tool. Otherwise it was saying that RDBMS product we called. What is your backend application? So backend application is an application. Okay, I'm shortcutly writing guys here. Okay, is an application. Is an application. So where we can or information. Okay, information of a particular organization, a particular organization. Okay, so what is Oracle? Oracle is a database tool or RDBMS product, otherwise object relational database management system software. Otherwise we can say backend tool. So any way you can call it your Oracle what it is. And what is backend tool means? It is a software to develop. Okay, and if you want to see the backend applications, so many applications are there guys here. Okay, if you want to ask you what kind of backend tools are there means, yeah, so many are there, like we can see Oracle, like you can see SQL Server, okay, now like you can see MySQL, like you can see DB2, etc. Okay, now so these are all are called as a backend tools we call, and this any tool you can use to develop your backend application. Okay, now. And later, what is backend means? Backend application is an application where we can store data or information of particular organization. So a particular company and organization, it's maybe anything. Like we can say, what kind of organizations we can say that guys? Like you are go to see banking applications. So if you go to banking organizations, and if you go to health domains are there, that is called a health management systems are there. Like you can go for financials departments. Okay, like you can see IRCTC, Indian Railways, Indian Airlines, yes or no? So transport sectors, okay, sales and production sectors. So any kind of organization, the people they can use what now? Database tools or backend tools. Okay, now so your organization means anything. Okay, like you can say one university. Okay, educational departments, and one banking sector, banking applications, or else hospitals, okay, or else financial sectors, or else transport sectors. So any kind of one sector, the sector organization related information, when they want to store and manage and maintain, definitely they need what now? Backend tools and backend applications. Okay, now so that organization related data I want to store into one application. That application is called as what now? Backend. For example, universities are there. If I want to develop one database application for educational department, like universities, so what kind of information can I store about a university? We are developing one database application for one particular university. For example, JNTU Hyderabad. Okay, for example. So if I'm going to developing one database for that university, okay, then what it was happen? What kind of information can I store into that? Under that university, how many colleges are there? In each colleges, what kind of branches are there? In each branch, how many employees are working? That is called faculties, professors. And in each branch, how many students are there? The students' information. Okay, so this all kind of information together. I want to keep into somewhere. The somewhere is called as what now? Backend application. So that may be Oracle, that may be SQL Server, that may be MySQL, that may be DB2, Sybase, Informix, okay, any type of whatever I said, so many RDBMS databases I said now, in that any one database tool you can use it now. Okay, now, and this is what guys here, backend application we said. So nowadays we are listening the front end side here, okay, that we can say, what is front end application or front end? Okay, what is front end tool? So your front end tool is also called as simply, it is a software. It is also one type of software here. Okay, which is used to develop what kind of applications, guys? To develop front end applications. To develop what now? Front end applications. Okay, the next question will come to you. What is front end? What is front end application, for example? Okay, so front end application is an application. Okay, is an application which is used to send, a user request. Okay, a user request to database server or server. Okay, so front application is an application which is used to send a user request to database server or server. Okay, right. So here the front end side, okay, applications, when you want to see the tools also can see, so many tools are there in this front end side. Like you all of you knew, nowadays you're learning UI technologies. Can you remember? Okay, what is the UI technologies? But I don't want to give all, but I just given one UI, user interfaces. So these all user interfaces, whatever we have it, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, okay, Angular JS. This all comes under what now? Front end tools. Okay, that's interacting purpose we are using. Okay, now, so that we can say, okay, these are called as your, okay, so that are front end side tools, and in the bracket if you want to write, you can write HTML, comma CSS, comma JavaScript. Okay, that all you can come to your front end side, and those things we are using to develop what now? Front end applications here. And front end application is an application for what purpose we are using, guys? Here, send user request. Send user request, because whenever user want to send some request to my database server, it's not like that I can directly send. Okay, I can't send directly. So I need some interface, and that interface is called as what now? Front end. Okay, for example, 1 second, I will show you. Suppose nowadays we are using so many applications in real time, like a Facebook, Gmail account, Yahoo, yes or no? So these all are comes under the front end categories. The system was very slow, guys. Okay, let me see. So this is your login form. Okay. Can you tell me what is the purpose of this login form? Who will interact with this? User. So user, we are interacting to this form. Okay. So that means I can directly access this form. I can directly interact this form. Okay. So whenever user can directly interact into your forms, that kind of any form is called as what now? Front end application or front end form, or else UI form, you can say. Okay now, and these form designing purpose, we all of you know, we need some HTML knowledge, some JavaScript, some CSS knowledge we require here. And here observe guys, here suppose I'm a newcomer, I don't have any Facebook account, but I want to access this Facebook. What I want to do first? Yeah, we need to create a new account for us. So when you click on a new account, so whatever the new account is open, this is also called as a one front end form. Okay, and this form is also the people will be designed by using of your UI technologies. Okay now, right? But in this guys, can you see guys here in this? Okay, so whatever the contents are there here, like a first name, surname, whatever we have. So this all details are entered by who? User, end users or users. Okay, so that means this form is directly interacting by user to write some information or to give some information. Okay, so that means this Facebook website is a security website and security portal. If anybody access the Facebook services, it's not like that I can directly access. Okay now, so we have some restrictions here. That's called as a user credentials we need to access your Facebook services. So the kind of restriction was given by the Facebook management people. Okay, so whenever the users they can access my services, definitely they need to submit some information to me. Then I will give it permissions to that user to log in and access my services. Okay now, so now this is front end we design. For example, Java people Java, .NET people .NET, Python people Python, PHP people core PHP, anything. You can, any technology people, the commonly they can go to use UI technologies. So now what happens is here, this is my, okay, the front end form, and through this front end form, okay, now suppose I'm the user, I will interacting here and I will enter this all the details and click on sign up. Now tell me, this is which application? Is it a manual application or online application? This is online. I am interacting with this online application. I am sending my request. What is my request here? Sign up. My request name is what? Sign up. So after all details I was entered here and come back and click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, the click event will be fired and your request will go to server. The first it will go to where? Web servers. So it will go to web server and it will be processing web server. But whatever the data are you sending through this form, yes or no? Request is going to web server, but through this form I'm sending some details now. Yes. So where it will go? Why database? No, my question is not that. My question is, this is online application you said, right? Okay. I enter my details. I click on sign up. The sign up request will go to my web server. Web server will be checking your request. Okay, that is yes or no, whatever it is. But data is there now. I'm sending some data through this form now. This data where it will go? Database. My question is, why it is going to database? Instead of database, can I store into files now? Can I store into books now? Your whatever you are using notebook now? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? My doubt is there. Why should I want to go this data into database? Instead of database, can I store this data into my book, my paper, my file? No. Why? Because those are not online. So one online application through whatever we are sending the data, The same online application data I need to store into another online application. That another online application is called as what? Backend. Concept understand now? So your front end is online, your back end is also online. When both are the same type of application, then I can integrate it together. What I can do? Integrate it together. It was very easy for us. Because one online application, I want to integrate it with my notebook and paper, impossible. Understand my point now? So that is not possible. So that's why whatever the data we are sending through online, the same data, that means online data, into same category of application I need for storage purpose. That is what, sir? That is called a backend applications. That is called a backend application. So that means front-end application sending purpose, backend applications are storage purpose. But both are comes under which category of applications? Online applications only. That's why you say your Java application, can I integrate it with the Oracle database? Yes or no? You have a concept in Java, JDBC. JDBC concept is there now? Hibernate is there now? Yes. So whatever it is, front end to back end communication, we are doing that. Okay now? So this is what I'm saying. So every interaction of user, whatever we are interacting to the form, that every form is called as what now? Okay, front end we called. So front end form, I can see it, I can touch, I can view, I can directly interact. So that is called as a front end. Like this, any form, like a registration form, login forms, change password is there now? Change password form, view forms. Okay, these are all comes under front end forms. And every front end form user can directly interacting here. But tell me, backend I said, backend can I interact directly? Can we? No, for example, here Facebook is there. I'm sending some data. The data will go to store into database. I know that. But where it is my database that you know? We don't know. Can you directly interacting to your database? Facebook database? No, we don't know. So that is what we called a backend. So backend means what? Now user cannot directly interacting. So whenever user cannot directly interacting, then it will be having security. Yes or no? Yes. So because I don't have that kind of permissions to directly interact with that person. Okay, if I want to interact with that person, I need some restriction here. I have some restrictions here. So that means which is we can't directly see and it was there somewhere. So automatically it was secured now. Yes or no? And one more very important thing. In this, can you tell me some case sensitive data is there in this form? What is that? What is the case sensitive? Password. So password is also storing into database now. But still our passwords are secured or not? How it is secured? In database. How it is secured? Because just now I said, because we can't directly interacting. That's why your user IDs, your passwords, your ATM PIN number, okay, your credit card PIN number, debit card PIN numbers, these all are how it is secured, sir. And how it is secured means because of reason these all are storing under database, and databases users cannot directly interacting. Okay now, so these are the two forms, guys, which is very important role will be play when you develop your projects in IT industry. Okay, and of course you are learning front-end technologies which is related to whatever it is, and come to your this is backend. Okay now, so now we got it some idea on what is front-end and what is backend. Yes or no? Yeah. So these are the things what we can say. And now guys here, let me see. Here one of the database I will take because our classes are Oracle. Okay. So later I will give the differences of Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL also I will tell you because so many people are waiting for this question. What is the differences of this? Yes or no? So that also you can slowly understanding one by one. And come to your Oracle. Okay now. So, okay sir, in this any application or any database tool you can use, but finally the target, my target is what now? To develop one backend application. Okay, so which kind of applications we can develop? Tell me, which kind of applications we can develop? Come on, guys. Which kind of applications? By using Oracle database or by using Oracle software. Simple. Okay, now? There are so many types of applications we can develop by using of Oracle software, guys, here. And simply I can say, the first one I said here, banking sectors. That is called a banking applications. Okay. Next we can say educational departments, the educational sectors. And we can say, guys, here, hospitals. Okay, hospital managements. Okay, and we can go for transport. Okay, and now we can go for sales and production departments. Okay, so we can go for HR management sectors. Okay, HR managements, etc. Okay, any banking, any educational, any hospitals, transport, sales and production of your products. And HR managements are what, sir? HR management means one company, for example, if you go to any company, guys, here, employees are there, or employees' salaries, their, what we can say, their allowances, deductions. So the pay scales, simple I can say what now? Pay scales. So those kind of informations which was comes under HR management. So HR management related information is nothing but in a company, how many employees are working, that employees details and departments details, employee salaries details, their deductions, okay, their what we can say, allowances, adding allowances, deduction allowances, okay, HRA, DA, PF, is all kind of information they can manage under HR management people in a particular companies. And you all of you know banking means you all of you know the banking application, educational departments, you know that hospitals. Hospitals means what now? Doctors details, patients details, their time schedules, okay now, the medicines, is all kind of the branches. Suppose one hospital, how many branches are there all over India? So that kind of related things. And transport, I said, IRCTC, for best examples of what now? IRCTC, one of the best example of your transport portal. Okay, now, like so many other portals also there. Okay, that all will come. And sales and production, for example, a manufacturing company was there. In the manufacturing company, how many products we manufacture here, how many sold out, remaining, how many remaining products are there. Okay, in the so-and-so year to year, how much profits and loss. Okay, so these are all kind of things. So any one particular, okay, organization, that organization related. So by using of Oracle is also how we can do SQL Server, MySQL, whatever it is, same as Oracle is also, we are using these kind of applications we can develop. That means we are developing backend applications for these type of organizations. And these are the few examples I said, it will be so many. Okay, no? Right. So this is what we can say. And the next one is, guys, here, the most important point here. So who want to, okay, learn Oracle? Suppose somebody is asking, okay, so sir, I'm a so-and-so background student. Can I learn it or not? Okay, so here simply I can say, guys, here anybody or any platform people. Okay, any platform people can learn it. So the maybe okay, maybe the students, maybe I will give some examples of those platform. Java students can learn compulsory. Okay, and he will go for Python students. They also need some knowledge of database, like PHP students. Okay, like UI students. Okay, and along with this, okay. So these are some front-end related people, we can say it, Java, Python, PHP, and UI, user interfaces. And some side, the backend application people also there, like Power BI students. Okay, Power BI. Like we can say, testing people. Can you remember nowadays we have like Selenium, so testing students, and we have your Informatica. Okay, Informatica people. Like we can go to like we can say like a data science people. Okay, and we have here Hadoop people also there. If you want to learn the people Hadoop. Okay, and some people we have it here like DevOps people. Okay, like AWS people. Okay, now, so etc. So that means any kind of any platform student, they can learn it this Oracle. Okay, so there is a no restriction. Simply I want to say database is like a common subject and common technology for all platform people in IT industry. Okay, now, so not only for database people, not only for database backend side people, even though the front end people also need a database knowledge. Okay, now, so that's why these people, okay, they can, and even though I can say, suppose if anybody they tried, okay, so as a Oracle programmer, okay, as a Oracle programmer, okay, if anybody try, or else we can say developer. Okay, in this position people also they can use, and one more position is there, that is called as a Oracle DBA position also there, DBA, database administration positions. These people also they can learn it these courses. Okay, so that's why what I can say as per my 10 plus of experience, database is a common technology for everyone. Okay, so we can't go and we can't restrict it that only these kind of people can be learn it. Okay, now, so only this particular platform people can only learn it. So that kind of boundary and the restrictions was not there for learning of Oracle course. Understand my point now? So anybody can, because of reason, because I'm working as an Oracle developer. Okay, in my company, I see so many people, front-end people are there, testing people are there, back-end people are there, all are working together. So I know that these databases, even though front-end people in their websites, when they want to develop web applications, must and should, they need to write some query knowledge. They need some queries to write some queries. Because, can you see guys here, if you use registration form, are you designing? For Java student is designing one registration form. In the registration form, okay, all we are writing which is related to your Java programming, coding related, all the things we written. But finally we are writing one query also. So that query is called an insert query. For login form is there. Login form is also designing and writing some Java code or .NET code, etc. But there also we need to write some query, that is called a select query. Like you need to change password, option is there. So if you want to change your passwords, there also you need a write update query. Suppose you need to view the data, you need your view profile. Nowadays we have a profile view is there now. So if you click on view profile, your entire profile will be displayed. That is called a again select command. Yes or no? If you want to delete any application from your Facebook, any app, or sorry, any image, any file, if you want to delete from your Gmail, Yahoo, or Facebook, there we require what now? Delete command. Okay, so that means every action, whatever you are doing through your an application, that every action behind some queries are there. And that's why, so one student is asking, sir, I'm a Java student, why I want to learn Oracle? One Java student is asking, okay, I'm a Java student, then why we want to learn Oracle? What is the use of Oracle? Some people are asking. So this is what I'm saying that. So whatever you develop, registration form, login form, change password, view profile, delete any file from your website, these all are going to be happen behind of what? Queries. That you know that. So if you don't know the query knowledge, these kind of things you can't fulfill. Okay, so this is one practically one student faced this problem in their real-time company. Okay, now, so one of our student, okay, He was learning only core Java, advanced Java, and some related to HTML, JavaScript, whatever it is. But he didn't learn database. He went to company. He selected. He went to company. He selected, and he was going to join in the company. But when he knows that, okay, the problem when he was faced here means when he was going to be developing level. So at the time, he want to interact with some queries, but this guy doesn't know database knowledge. There's so much problem he faced in the development area. Okay, every day the team lead was shouting on that person. Okay, so finally what happened? The student was again come back to again. Okay, again Amirpet again join into database classes. Okay, now. And he personally faced that problem and he shared that information to me. So this is, I faced a so-and-so problem in my real-time company, sir. In my company, I was facing this. So I need some database knowledge. Again, that's why I came here. Okay, now. So that's why what my point here, when you are doing, that is when you, what is your target is there, the fulfill the target with all technologies. Whatever you needed, that every needed technology will be touched and happily move into your companies. Okay, now? So that is what. So this is what, guys, here, this kind of people, they can go to learn it here. Okay, and there is no boundary for learning of database. Okay, in this all people, in their development area, their development, their work premises, definitely they want to use a database interaction in their working level. Okay, now? So that's why what you learn Oracle. And not only for these guys, even though I said just now, suppose here two people are there. Oracle developer, how you can say Java developer, .NET developer, same as database developers. So I am one of the database developer. Okay, Samyukta Info Solutions is my company. So in there I am working as an Oracle developer. Yes or no? So in my 10 years of career, I'm working on database side as a developing, but my career 10 plus, so still it is going on. Okay, now, so that's why I'm telling that. So many students are, some people very weak in coding levels. Some people very strong in coding levels. So when you choose your technology, first my thought is what now? What is your capabilities that you have to check out? And so many students, what is going to happen in the general human psychology, there are 4 or 5 friends are there. They came outside. Their academic is completed. They came outside. And in that 5 people, one of the student and one of the friend is good. That means he was having some good student. Yes or no? In any group, in 4 or 5 group, 1 or 2 people was study very well, yes or no? They will have a good percentage like, and some average students are there. So in your group, for example, one brilliant student is there. He was 80% of the student is there, and you are the 60% student. But there is no boundary for friendship now. We can do friendship. So in basis, what happened? The 4 years we are enjoying our friendship and everything. Then come outside, and who was 80 plus? You already target here. He want to fix already. He want to go Java developer. He already fixed it from he was from where it is education level. He was fixed that, but he don't want to tell you. But he already planned internally. After my BTech or MCA is completed, I want to go as a Java program. He already planned. So he came outside. So that student is not having any confusion because he already planned what is his target. Because as their capability, he was choosing the technology. That's good. But remaining friends are there now, the remaining 2 to 3 people, they didn't see anything. They will see that, oh, my friend joined into Java. I am also joined. Yes or no? So many people doing like this. Yes or no, yaar? Arey yaar, mere ko pata hai sab. I know that. Because I am also one of the student at the time. Okay, na? So in my batch, one friend is going to .NET means all are jumping into .NET. But We didn't check out whether my capability is suitable for this technology or not. I can handle or not. Okay, now that we didn't see. We're just seeing that, oh, my best friend is going to Java, I'm also going to Java. That's it. But your best friend and your side, check out your capabilities. Are you handling or not? Yes or no? So, one thing, guys, in career building is your hand. Either you will go to build your career in which way, it's pretty in your hand. Don't think that Java developer is a greater, is a bigger. Who said like this? Even though one Oracle developer also getting for monthly 20 lakhs package, one database developer. So who said like that? Okay, so that's why don't think like that. Okay, na? So where is your capabilities? Whether you can do it or not, this coding is understanding or not, I can handle or not, interviews can handle or not. After interview, okay, interview by God grace you selected, working premises, you can handle or not, what kind of pressures are there in this working levels, okay. So these are all you can go to check out based on that properly planned. Otherwise you have a confident, no sir, I'm a 40% of student, but I interested coding level. Yes, excellent. The kind of confident, that kind of the strength you have it not, definitely have to go. Nobody can stop you. That's your career. Okay, no? But it depends on friends. My friend is going this technology, so I want to go, sir. So first of all, somebody, very interesting people also there. First they join into Java. The people also join into Java. 4 or 5 people join into Java. After half of the course is completed, 3 months or 4 months, otherwise the 6 months course is completed. Who already target now? He was very happy. Okay, my course is completed, I came outside, I want to set a job. Remaining people are there now. What happened? They didn't understand. Course is completed, but no. What happened? Again, they try to join into other course. Okay, now. So, in that way, one student is learning 3 to 4 courses in Amir Petiyar. One student is learning 3 to 4 courses. First Java. Next, Python. Oh my God. Next, other technology. Oh, this is also very funny. Next, finally, technology will be settled. That where you felt flexible, easy, user-friendly, there you stopped. But my point is what? Why are you choosing this all the things? Directly choose this one. Na? Time is saving. Na? Your money is saving. Na? Your time is saving. Na? Yes or no? But this all are happening now, finally coming to here only. Okay, now, so that you don't do, guys. Because nowadays, opportunities are very precious. And you know, and your very advantage also from the panic situations after. So many companies are hiring the people. Thousands, lakhs of people. The TCS is hiring almost 50,000 freshers they was hiring. They needed, like a TCS, Accenture, Wipro, all the major multinational companies are there ready to take a newcomers. Because from the last panic situation, the 2.5 years and 3 years, so the recruitment process is not going on. Yes or no? So all vacancies are stopped because of reason, panic situation. Okay, but now the situation is good. Excellent jobs are there, freshers. Okay, so that's why choose perfect technology, hard work, do it completely. Okay, and join into companies. Okay, now like this. So that you have to do, but don't depend on your friends. Okay, take suggestions from your friends. If your friend is brilliant compared to you, then take a suggestion. Okay, otherwise take suggestion from your seniors. Your already seniors are there now, in colleges or somewhere, or your brother and sisters. Take seniors information, and based on that you have to decide. Okay, right. And this is what we called as guys here. Next, sir. What is the prerequisites of Oracle, sir? Okay, what is the prerequisite? Sir, I want to learn any other courses along with Oracle means no need. Here, No need. So without having any database knowledge, you can happily come to classes and listen and practice daily, half an hour practice. If you do like this, you will be handle your database. So database is purpose, no prerequisites, not necessary anything here. So because of reason, it's having its own technology, its own softwares, its own languages, okay, its own syntaxes, its own specifications, its own rules and conditions, okay na? So don't compare with the other languages, okay na? And one more thing, so many students are comparing, sir, in Java it will be happen like this, why not in database? Somebody is asking. So that is a very big mistake here, because that was front end, this was back end. If I want to ask you, why you and your brother will be like this? If I'm asking, what happened? Your brother is very smart and handsome, but you are not look like that. Why, sir? Your brother is white or black. Why, sir? Both of father and mother same, na? Then why, sir? Okay, na? So this kind of questions are, don't ask to anyone. Response will come to like this. Okay? So, because of reason, when the technology was built, they already build some rules and conditions for that particular technologies. Okay, now, so that's why don't compare one technology to other technology. If you compare .NET Java, lot of difference. Compare Python, lot of difference. Compare database, lot of difference. Yes or no? So that's what I'm telling. Okay, if all human beings are having same na, what happened? So many problems. Yes or no? Because my face, your face is same. Who is Mr. Sudhakar? Huh? My mummy daddy also confused here. Your mummy daddy also confused. Who is my son? And especially after marriage, so many problems. If all girls are look like the same, all boys are look like the same in the world, what happened? We can't imagine. That's what, guys. So I can't identify who is my wife. There are crores of people are there here. Who is my wife? And she's also felt like that. Who is my husband? There are hundreds of people out there. That's why every technology is different. Every technology is having its own priorities, its own specifications, syntaxes, the way of presentation, the way of purposes. Yes or no? So don't compare like this. Okay, na? Right. So finally, one thing I can say, guys, here, for Oracle purpose, no need any prerequisites knowledge. Okay, happy you can come and learn it. And lastly, background. Sir, background is what, sir, means nowadays no background for IT industry. Okay, anybody can go happily in your IT sector. But before going to that, prepared well and go. So you are a BCom student, a BSc student, or MBA student, either triple student or mechanical students, it's none of the matter. Okay, now only the thing is be confident on your technology, whatever you choose to do hard work and go for that. Okay, definitely all are succeeded. Okay, now in future. Clear now? So don't ask me again, sir, my background of this one, nothing. So whatever the background, you are all are eligible for IT industry, because that kind of when we are joined in 2006, we are joined here. At the time, we have some restrictions. Only MCA students only eligible for IT industry. At that time, almost 15 years back. Okay, 15 to 20 years back, there is some restrictions are there. Software jobs are only for MCA. Actually, MCA people is the correct people for software field. Okay, Master of Computer Applications. Those are the eligible people actually. But of course, the need and necessity, it will be spreading all over the world. Okay, so they need a manpower, more manpower they require. Then they target here, BTech students also came. But BTech students also not enough. Then they go for, finally what happened? Any degree. Finally, any degree. Yes or no? So first only MCA people. Only that people, other qualification people are not eligible for IT industry. Okay, when my days. Okay, my days means don't expect 1970s. 10, 15 years back, 15 years back. Okay, right. So that is what my days. Okay, but now any degree, minimum degree, and some companies are taking 60% first class. Like if you go to multinational companies, okay, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, they are asking 70, 75 like this. But who are having below 60% of students also, don't worry about that. You have the middle skills companies are there. That means small industries are there in IT industries. So first initial, what you want to do, if you're low percentage, okay, in your academics, try in small companies, like a startup companies, like a 5 to 10 years, 5 to 6 or 10 years of small scale companies are there. In Somajigoda, so many are there here. Okay, Amirpet, by walk you can go. Somajigoda, don't go high tech city. In Somajigoda only so many middle scale, small scale industries are so many are there. So first work who are having less percentage, first working a small scale industries 1 or 2 years. After those 2 years, keep your experience and go to multinational. This is your target. So that's why I'm telling that low percentage students, don't fear. First your target is enter into IT industry. It may be big company or small company, none of the matter. So where you get a real time work, you can join. Just 1 year or 1.5 maximum 2 years you work in company. Take your 2 years of certificate from the company and put it, go to multinational. This is the way how you have to jump into multinational who are having less percentage. Understand now? So that is also one, what we can say, logic, one idea for how to enter into industries. That's why below percentage people also don't worry about in IT industry whether I'm suitable or not, whatever it is. So I said 2 things remember in your mind, guys. Leave it your background, first thing. Background means don't leave your mom and dad here. Background means your educational background. Sir, leave it my background means complete family को छोड़ेगा तो कुछ नहीं होगा यहाँ पर. So background means your qualification background, leave it, and percentages are none of the matter. There's 2 remove from your brain. Then only can happily working and learning your technologies. Okay now? So do that things. So these are the today's session in demonstration. Okay now? And tomorrow I will give some information about your schedules. Okay, this batch time period and duration, whatever it is, content also I will show you what is what. Okay, and later I will start my classes, guys. Okay now? Right, guys. So I stop it here and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, right, guys. Thank you so much.